Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to unsnooze someone on Facebook. Let's begin the video. Open the Facebook app on your phone and log into your account. Go to the menu bar at the top right of your screen. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. Once you are here, scroll down and under Preference section, click on Content Preference. A list of options will appear here. Click Snooze and it will show you all the list of the people pages you have snoozed. Now to unsnooze the page, just click on End Snooze. And that's it. Now if you go to the home page, you will be able to see their post again. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.